Number 1. Imagine cruising the roads in a classic. Today we are checking out a 1970 Ford Fairlane 500, which is located in Ridgecrest, California, and being offered for $4,500. This 1970 Fairlane is a project car, but it comes with a solid foundation. Under the hood, it already has a 460 engine and a C6 transmission, with both units in good working order. Included in the deal are brand new hooker headers, suitable for both big blocks and small blocks. The interior has a new floor, and the black interior is in decent shape. On top of that, the car also has new suspension components and brakes installed. The seller notes that about 75% of all necessary new parts are available to finish putting this Fairlane together. And as if that were not enough, the car also comes with a bonus hot rod 406 FE engine. The car has some rust in the rear quarter panels, but it is ready to be finished. All necessary documentation, including the title, is present. If this Ford Fairlane 500 catches your eye, you can come and inspect it in person, and then make an offer.
If you're finding value in what we're sharing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Thank you.
Number 2. Take a trip back in time with this 1971 Buick Riviera, a true two-door coupe located in Garfield, New Jersey. Under the hood is a factory 455-4 engine, 7.5 liters, putting out 330 horsepower, paired with an automatic transmission. For comfortable rides, there's working air conditioning blowing ice-cold air. The beige body has spent its entire life garaged, guaranteeing it's rust-free. The black interior remains neat and tidy. With only 30,907 miles on the odometer, this car has had just one owner. This is a true boat-tail survivor that has retained its character. This Buick is offered for $16,000. The owner is moving to Tennessee and is ready to help with all necessary paperwork, as the title transfer process hasn't been started to simplify things for the new buyer. Cash only.
I've just changed the oil. I put synthetic oil. This is the only rust breaking through. It's just the paint is flaking. There's no dents or anything anywhere on there. The frame is flawless on this car. It's the original hubcaps. There's no rot on the bottom corners. Just obviously nicks from rocks kicking up. But other than that, these quarters. The vinyl too, it's all original vinyl roof. Frame solid.
Number 3. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion with this 1972 Dodge Challenger two-door coupe. It's located in Lebanon, Indiana, and is up for grabs at $12,000. This is a ready-to-race bracket car, specially prepped for drag racing, and it's a runner. It has logged 12,345 miles. Under the hood, this Challenger sports a 440 motor pushing 450 cubic inches. Power goes through a 727 automatic transmission. The rear end has been completely worked over and beefed up, and you'll spot wheelie bars out back, a clear sign of its racing purpose. Up front, it's got aerospace brakes, and the whole setup is dialed in old-school style. The body is done up in white, and the complete interior and all the glass are on hand. However, there are a couple of things to note. The car needs a different torque converter, as the current one doesn't match the flywheel and isn't bolted up to it. Also, there's no title for the car. This Challenger is strictly cash only, no trades. Number 4. Dive into automotive history with this 1963 Chevrolet Nova located in San Diego, California. This car, painted a vibrant yellow on the exterior with a black interior, catches the eye with weld racing wheels and a reported mileage of 12,345 miles. It's being offered for $14,950. Under the fiberglass hood lies a small block V8 with an automatic transmission, believed to be a 383 stroker, though there's no documentation to confirm this. Power brakes and disc brakes are installed both front and rear, along with air conditioning and manual steering. Upgrades include an aluminum intake manifold, a Demon carburetor, an HEI distributor, an aluminum radiator, subframe connectors, and an Edelbrock air filter. The black interior is complete and in decent shape, featuring original front bucket seats and a rear bench. An aftermarket radio has been installed. The original style Shark dashboard includes a working speedometer, voltmeter, and fuel gauge with working oil pressure and temperature gauges located below it. All the glass is intact and in good condition. The car is equipped with manual window cranks. Currently, the car starts but runs rough. The likely cause is a carburetor that needs to be rebuilt. The headliner also needs installation, but a new one comes with the car. The Chevrolet Nova comes with a clear title, offering its future owner an interesting foundation for further customization. Number 5. Check out this classic. Up for grabs is a 1978 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, located in Fort Wayne, Indiana. They're asking $15,000. Under the hood, you'll find a rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 engine, and since its rebuild, it's only clocked 6,000 miles, paired with an automatic transmission. This Monte Carlo sports a burgundy paint job, while the interior is done up in shades of red, creating a striking contrast. What really catches your eye are the 50-spoke true-spoke reverse deep dish wheels, which immediately make this car pop. For those who appreciate custom touches, it's outfitted with a hydraulic system. 2 pumps, 6 batteries, and 5 switches give you full command over the ride height. To ensure everything operates reliably, the upper and lower control arms have been reinforced with chrome, and the rear axle has also received reinforcement. This Monte Carlo offering, with its rebuilt engine and specialized hydraulics, shapes up as a solid pick for anyone looking for a ride with the custom work already done. Ease of use thanks to the automatic transmission and the engine's low mileage make it an appealing option for a new owner. Number 6. Here's your chance to own this 1970 Nova Coupe, waiting for you in Manchester Township, New Jersey. The car is black inside and out and boasts a 350 engine with aluminum heads and an automatic transmission. It has 65,000 miles on the odometer, and best of all, it starts right up and drives. This Nova is not a genuine SS version and isn't being touted as a show car, but it's a solid daily driver. The body needs a wet sand and polish, and the windshield needs to be replaced. Inside, it'll need a new headliner and a dash pad, plus refreshed emblems and mirrors. The car's garaged since it's unregistered. It's listed for $22,000 and the seller is firm on no trades. Number 7. Here's a car that offers a glimpse into the past. This is a 1977 Chevrolet Corvette located in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, and listed for $13,750. This vehicle has 54,250 miles on the odometer and is ready to make its new owner very happy. This 3-owner Corvette is equipped with a 350 V8 engine that runs smoothly and quietly. The 4-speed manual transmission shifts flawlessly, providing an engaging driving experience. The 1977 model comes equipped with T-top roof panels and a brown leather interior that perfectly complements its beige exterior. This car has received significant updates, including brand new tires, wheels, brakes, rotors, and calipers. It also comes equipped with side pipes and headers. It drives and handles beautifully, making every trip a true pleasure. The seller will consider trades for 4-wheel drive trucks. Number 8. Dive into the world of classic car passion with this 1972 Dodge Challenger, available in Blountville, Tennessee for $44,900. Sporting a vibrant red exterior, this Challenger features a 346-pack engine paired with an automatic transmission and power steering, ensuring a smooth ride every time out. With just 44,000 miles on the clock, this car is ready for the open road, showcasing a classic black interior. The body of this Challenger is rock solid, showing no signs of rust. It has received only one repaint in its lifetime, and the black interior, including the vinyl, remains all original, keeping its true classic character intact. It's rocking brand new tires, and it comes with both sets of wheels, offering versatility. For those who value history, the original owner's manual and window sticker are also included. While this model does not have air conditioning, the heater works like a charm, making it a comfortable cruiser for a beautiful day. This Challenger stands out as a real beast of a muscle car, a rare find in such prime condition. The owner is open to trades for other rides, offering some wiggle room for its next gearhead. Number 9. Check out this unique 1966 Pontiac GTO two-door coupe, available in Slatington, Pennsylvania for $38,000. This car has 18,000 miles on it, is equipped with an automatic transmission, and its exterior stands out in platinum ploy, a classy silver hue with a white interior. Under the hood, you'll find the original 1966 WS 389 engine with a tri-power system, which is pretty neat in itself. Power is channeled through a high-performance Art Care automatic transmission, and out back there's a rear end with a 390 gear ratio. What's more, over the past 3 years, all the car's major components have been overhauled, meaning this GTO has received some serious TLC. This thorough approach to restoration means that this GTO is ready to hit the road. The silver exterior and clean white interior create a classic, period-correct look. Number 10. Step back in time to 1976 with this Pontiac Ventura, now available in Orange, Massachusetts for $9,000. This Ventura has seen only 3 owners, and its body is all steel, free from rust, rot, or filler, with one repaint in its original factory, Athena Blue. Under the hood, you'll find the original 256-cylinder inline engine, showing a documented 38,025 miles. Power is smoothly delivered through a 350 automatic transmission. The car runs and handles just like new, ready to hit shows and cruises. It comes with some nice upgrades, including a shaker hood. The original factory hood is also included. It rolls on 15-inch Riddler chrome wheels wrapped in new rubber, and a complete set of factory 14-inch wheels with new tires is also included. The Ventura has a new stainless exhaust system with a performance muffler, along with new leaf springs and shocks. The brakes have also been gone through, ensuring a solid ride. The interior is done in white, which complements the blue exterior. This car has racked up several awards and always turns heads wherever it goes. Number 11. Here's a fantastic opportunity for any classic car enthusiast. A 1965 Plymouth Satellite convertible located in Mount Carmel, Tennessee. This car is a true survivor and it's being offered for $16,000 with the price negotiable. Under the hood of this Plymouth is its original 318 engine and automatic transmission, both in good working order. The body is solid as a rock with no signs of rust, which is a big deal for a car of this vintage. The car retains its original paint job and interior, which is quite a feat. It recently got a brand new convertible top along with new wheels and tires, making it ready to hit the road. The car runs and drives great. Of course, the red paint has faded over time and it has minor dings and scratches. The red interior, while generally in decent shape, shows noticeable signs of wear and tear. However, this doesn't stop it from getting the job done well. The seller is asking $16,000 and is open to discussion on the price, but is not considering trades. Number 12. Today we have a fantastic find, a 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle located in Grace Lake, Illinois. This Chevelle is offered at $48,000 and shows 5,500 miles on the odometer. This car has undergone a frame-off restoration, meaning it was completely disassembled and rebuilt from the ground up. Under the hood, you'll find a 350 cubic inch V8 small block engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a more engaging driving experience. The interior is all new, featuring a sleek black finish and a modern Dakota digital dashboard. For entertainment, it comes equipped with subwoofers and Bluetooth and USB connectivity. The striking candy blue exterior paint is complemented by LED lights, and for stopping power, disc brakes are installed on all 4 wheels. Considering the extensive frame-off restoration and the long list of upgrades, from the powertrain to the interior and modern conveniences, this Chevelle is set up for its next enthusiast. It's ready to hit the road with its refreshed components. Number 13. With its manual transmission and potential for restoration, this is a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS available in Green Bay, Wisconsin for $45,000. This muscle car is in excellent condition with 28,000 miles on the odometer. The car was purchased in August 2023 and has since been stored in a heated garage, running great. Under the hood sits a modified 350 engine, equipped with an all-roller big thumper cam and a 10-to-1 compression ratio, allowing the use of regular pump gas. The engine is paired with a 4-speed M22 close-ratio manual transmission. The rear end is a 12-bolt with a limited slip differential and a 358 gear ratio, running a 31-spline drive shaft. All of this makes for a quick and enjoyable drive. The Camaro is painted in a bright orange rust color with a black stripe, and inside you'll find a black interior with bucket seats and lap and shoulder seat belts. All the glass is in perfect condition. The car features a powerful big boomer high amperage radio, but it currently needs to be wired. Number 14. Here's a classic. In Corpus Christi, Texas, a 1972 Chevrolet Malibu is up for grabs. This bright red ride with a black interior and an automatic transmission is ready to hit the road for $15,000. The odometer reads 50,000 miles, making it a pretty sweet deal for its age. This Malibu doesn't just run, it runs great thanks to a bunch of fresh parts and upgrades. The air conditioning works like a charm, and it's got disc brakes all around, complemented by an upgraded vacuum booster, master cylinder, and proportioning valve for surer stopping power. Under the hood, you'll find an upgraded aluminum radiator with electric fans and a new carburetor, ensuring reliable engine performance. The interior looks complete and ready for cruises. If you really want to appreciate all the good stuff in this car, your best bet is to come see it in person. The seller isn't looking for trades, but if you show up with cash, you might be able to talk him down on the price. Just remember, it's available, so please don't ghost after reaching out. Number 15. Discover the charm of history with this 1957 Chevrolet Classic sedan, available in Denver City, Texas. This sweet ride is going for $25,000, and it's ready to hit the road. Under the hood of this 1957 model, you'll find a V8 Turbo 350 with an automatic transmission. Both the engine and transmission run great, making for a smooth ride. The silver body complements the refreshed cabin nicely. The seats were recently reupholstered with Fisher trim in Lubbock, and new carpeting has been laid to complete the white interior trim. This is a clean, smooth driving car that's already sporting new tires. This week, it's getting a front-end alignment, which will make for an even smoother ride. With 99,999 miles on the odometer, this Chevrolet Classic sedan is a great option for anyone looking for a classic cruiser and to enjoy the open road. Number 16. Check out this 1967 Chevrolet Classic from Las Vegas, Nevada, priced at $49,000. This is a real-deal super sport Chevelle, as verified by its vehicle identification number 138. Under the hood, it's packing a 402 cubic inch engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. This ride is set up as a Pro Street, meaning it's more geared towards street use than track performance. Back in 2007, the car underwent a full frame-off restoration, and all documentation for that work is available. There's no rust on the body, and its turquoise paint job pairs nicely with a clean black interior, outfitted with Dakota gauges. Underneath, you'll find a narrowed 12-bolt rear end, disc brakes on all four wheels, and fresh Hoosier tires. Since the frame-off restoration, this machine has only racked up 3,600 miles, and it's received recent additional upgrades. This Chevelle is ready for its next owner, comes with a clean Nevada title in hand, and the seller is open to trades with cash on top. Number 17. This classic 1972 Pontiac GTO is available in Orville, Ohio for $59,995. It shows 38,000 miles, though its actual mileage may differ due to legal exemptions. Sporting its factory Lucerne blue with white vinyl stripes, this GTO's body is straight and clean, featuring newer door seals and weather stripping. Original Rally 2 wheels wear newer Mickey Thompson tires. The black interior is in excellent condition. Door panels, headliner, visors, and the dash pad all look great. It includes factory rally gauges, a tachometer, an optional Formula Sport steering wheel, and a factory console with a Hurst shifter. Under the hood, a WK400 cubic inch engine, rebuilt to Ram Air 4 specifications, features correct manifolds, a Ram Air air cleaner, and chrome valve covers. This setup works with power steering, power brakes, and an original Muncie M 24-speed manual transmission. The engine bay shows detailing to factory specifications with satin black painted metal surfaces. Underneath, the undercarriage reveals clean original metal without patches. The emergency brake assembly is functional, and a factory-style exhaust system features chrome splitter tips. It rides on F41 suspension with a 355 safe T-track rear end. This GTO is fully documented as one of only 1,519 factory 4-speed models built in 1972. Financing options are available. Number 18. Discover your next restoration project with this 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Premium Coupe 2-door. Located in Beckley, West Virginia, this car, showing 56,000 miles, is offered for $59,000. This is a factory 1969 Mach 1 R code with all its original VIN tags and stampings intact. Originally equipped with a 428 Cobra jet and a C6 automatic transmission, it now features a 429 Cobra jet engine. It also has an upgraded 9-inch nodular rear end with 31 splines, power disc brakes, and headers. The body was originally painted Raven Black, but now shows in Acapulco Blue. The original white Mach 1 interior is now finished in black. The car presents well as a driver, handles great, and is fully operational. It's important to note that this is not a show car and has had previous bodywork. No trades. Number 19. This is your chance to own a piece of American automotive history. In Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, a 1979 Cadillac DeVille coupe is being offered for the price of $11,500. The car, with 49,000 miles on the odometer, has remained with its original owner since 1979. The driver behind the wheel of this caddy will feel like they're cruising on a cloud thanks to its big V8 engine, displacing 425 cubic inches, and its automatic transmission. The car's body was recently repainted black, and the interior seats have been reupholstered in red. In recent years, a new master cylinder and a new battery have been installed, and the alternator and starter have also been replaced. A complete tune-up has been performed, including new spark plugs, wires, distributor cap, and rotor. There are a couple of things to keep in mind. The power driver's seat occasionally acts up, and while the vinyl top recently underwent repairs, including crack filling and sealing, it does show signs of restoration. Overall, the seller rates the car a solid 7 out of 10, and it's mechanically sound, ready for both daily cruising and hitting the car show circuit.
Starts right up. No issues. No smoke. Very quiet. No exhaust leak. Old school, riding like you're on the couch.
Number 20. In Westwood, New Jersey, a 1961 Buick LeSabre is available for $25,000. This particular car has had only 2 owners and has clocked 40,000 original miles since new. The car has retained its original condition, which is evident in its completely original paint and interior. Its exterior is white and the interior is red. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the Buick LeSabre starts and runs perfectly, confirming its readiness for immediate use without any prior fuss. This combination of low mileage and preserved key components means the car is ready to drive right off the lot, immediately after purchase. Now, let's switch gears from the Buick LeSabre sedan to a model offering a completely different set of features and character. Number 21. Picture yourself cruising down the boulevard. In Pipersville, Pennsylvania, a 1971 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray is offered at $29,995. This C3 Corvette features a red exterior paired with a black interior equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission. The car has logged 55,500 miles. This specific setup, a manual Stingray from '71, offers a direct connection to the driving experience typical of its time. The selling dealership, with over 18 years in business and extensive experience with Corvette deliveries, makes the buying process a breeze. They assist with title transfers to any state, provide temporary tags for immediate driving, and can arrange worldwide shipping. This Corvette, with its specific year, mileage, and manual gearbox, is a great option for a driver looking for this exact setup. Its mechanical setup and color combination are ready to roll for its next owner. If a classic American coupe with a manual gearbox isn't quite your cup of tea, perhaps our next offering will offer something different. Number 22. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion. In Albany, New York, a 1970 Pontiac GTO convertible is up for grabs. Its odometer reads 63,000 miles, though the seller notes the true mileage is unknown. This car, offered for $29,550, is powered by a numbers-matching V8 engine, displacing 455 cubic inches. Power gets put down through a 4-speed M21 manual transmission to a posit-traction rear differential with a 3.31 gear ratio. The Pontiac's body is finished in starlight black and complemented by a red vinyl interior featuring bucket seats. A power-operated white convertible top and a matching red vinyl boot round out the look. Number 23. Discover the charm of history. Presenting a 1959 Lincoln Continental convertible located in North Tonawanda, New York, with 98,000 miles. This car is offered for $33,000. The body and undercarriage are in excellent condition, showcasing very clean and solid shape. The interior also looks great, finished in beige, while the exterior is brown. The power top operates without a hitch and is in excellent condition. Under the hood sits a 430 cubic inch engine running smoothly and quietly. It recently received a new fuel pump and a brand new dual exhaust system. The vacuum wiper motor was also replaced. All power windows, including the vent windows, are in good working order, as does the Town and Country AM radio. The car is ready for cruising, though there are a few minor paint imperfections to note. Next up is a car that will offer a completely different experience, but with the same attention to detail.
It's Monday, October 20th, 2025, starting up in 1959 Continental Mark IV convertible. Body is in real good shape. Chrome and stainless are in good shape. There's a few small paint issues, but overall really nice shape. Runs great. Interior is real nice too.
Number 24. Check out this classic 1970 Mercedes-Benz 3.5 from Collingswood, New Jersey. This example, valued at $105,000, is a sunroof coupe with a factory manual transmission. It's believed that only between 25 and 40 of these models were produced, and this car is designated example number 2. With 112,000 miles on the odometer, it was kept in a private collection until its purchase by the current owner. The body is rust-free, and the seller states that the car drives and handles better than any he's ever owned. The blue exterior is complemented by a brown interior, a color combination considered rare. The interior is completely original, with noticeable patina on the seats and door cards. The seller would consider or prefers a trade for a Mercedes-Benz 230 to 280 SL with a manual transmission, a Porsche 356, 911, 912, or an Alfa Romeo. From such a specific manual transmission rarity, let's move on to a car that offers a completely different experience. Please note, the owner